One of my viewers asked about what's the difference between resolution bandwidth and video bandwidth. And I'll try to demonstrate that here, but let me give you the theory. So this is a really simple spectrum analyzer. The signal comes in, it gets mixed with an LO, it goes through a bandpass filter, and it's a variable bandpass filter, so you can have 3 kilohertz, 1 kilohertz, 30 hertz. You set that here. And then it gets detected and sent to the screen. So this is basically a power meter. So it measures the amount of power that you have, and this is usually logarithmic amplifier, and that gets put on the display. Well, just before the detector, there's a filter that is a low-pass filter for the video. So remember, this thing all gets mixed down. By the time it goes through the final filter, it was at 21 megahertz, and that gets detected here. And so any noise that's on the signal can be up to a very high frequency. If you put a low-pass filter here, then that noise gets reduced. And so let me see if I can't demonstrate that over here. Let's zoom in all the way. I think we're okay. So here's the signal, and we can change the. Let me put these both in auto. So we have some signal, and we have some noise, and then we have resolution for these carriers. So we can change the resolution. That's that filter. So we can change the filter for the bandpass. This is the resolution filter. I'll change that manually. And so if I change it manually, these get narrower. And they get narrower and they get narrower. So they start out wide. So this is a 3 megahertz bandwidth. And then a 1 megahertz bandwidth, 300 kilohertz, 100 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz. So you can see that the lines are getting really narrow because we have a very, very tiny filter that sweeps across. It takes longer to sweep across, and so it slows down too. Okay, so we can go back to this nice big noisy one here. Now, all of this noise is in the video signal, and so we can add that secondary low-pass filter, and that is the video filter. And we can slow that down. And so you see that our noise is all smoothed out. So now our video bandwidth is 1 kilohertz, but our other bandwidth didn't change, right? So, so how do you use them? Well, you want a little bit of both, all right? So spectrum analyzers kind of put in a little bit of both. This spectrum analyzer allows you to set both to auto, as most spectrum analyzers do. So when you change one, you change the other. And in this spectrum analyzer, if you have a 10 kilohertz filter, then you have a 10 kilohertz video bandwidth. There's a ratio of 1 to 1. This allows you to change the ratio. Right now, the ratio is 0.3x. But I can change that to 1 to 1. So now the ratio between the video bandwidth and the resolution bandwidth is 1 to 1. And so when I change one, I change the other at a ratio of 1 to 1. It defaults to other numbers, but basically it's the amount of width of the signal to noise of the signal. So that's the resolution bandwidth and the video bandwidth. I hope that helps.